Hey, hi, good evening, everyone. I was asked to share the customer pitch, on which I was working all these days, and I have one such idea in my mind to have any solution where we can address all customer grievances. The vendor, be it a small vendor or else be it any largest selling provider. So we just want to brought a common platform where we can address all such customer grievances. I agree. We do have a customer complaints. We do have a customer complaints on consumer codes, which are being set up at each state and at district level and also the central level as well. But we have found or noticed a huge amount of customer complaints which have went unnoticed, and customers are, of course, they are disappointed and they are quite unhappy on that. And however, our vision is very clear to have a common body, or else we just want to build a trust and a visible nation body where we can address all the customer grievances. So these are idea on which we want to work. And however, I just want to address one more significant uh, uh, take up where we are going to deal all kinds of issues, be it consumer complaints, be it an urban or rural. We just want to bring all these kinds of customer grievances on an online platform where the user have to lodge a complaint, right? And then we'll take the complaint into consideration. We'll take it to various departments, be it, as I told you, be it a district level or else be it a state commission. And even if it didn't get addressed or resolved, we'll just take it to the next central level. However, I understand this must need a strong network. We are still building a network where we have access to the central repository, the Department of Ministry, Department of Consumer Affairs and Food, right? Yep. So this is our idea, and I know we just want to have an innovative technology in place where we can run this application, right? And a simple database, or I know there are many synchronous or asynchronous databases. Would like to go for any MongoDB or any NeoDB, right? For this, as we deal with most of the data, it's an unstructured data. Oh, and we just need a simple XML where we can upload the request. Okay, this is our idea, and we're just building a solution on this. So I confirm, given an opportunity, we'll just try to prove how it works. And we are very confident that this common platform will find give a solution. I know this term solution nowadays in this business world, many of the sources and many of the service providers, they offer solutions but for a limited period, be it a 1 year or 2 year. But this is something unlike, different from them. For example, Microsoft Office it's not a complete solution, right? It's only a product which will be assure license of 1 or 2 years. But here assure, we provide a solution, then only will have a nominal charges on that. We have other competitors as well in market, but where unless until you give some nominal charges, they won't look into your complaint. That's very sad about that. uh, okay, okay, that's all in our mind. Thank you, thanks for the opportunity.